This year for Christmas, all I wish for is a bunch of warm, cuddly puppies, a couple of cute, adorable little kittens, and a fresh batch of hot cocoa so I can sip on it by the fire while I watch Christmas movies. And most importantly, I hope that on Christmas morning when I go to check under the tree,
I find you there so I can use my gift of free will on you and oil you up, tie you down, and give you the most
sheet-gripping, earth-shattering, atmosphere-rupturing, cowboy yodeling, O-block sounding
backshots of all fucking time.